The number 33 is often referred to as the master of numbers in human history and is considered a magical number. In antiquity, various deities were associated with it as a source of knowledge and light. This number has a significant presence in different cultures, religions, and important historical events, from Jesus Christ to the modern world. The number 33 is seen as the number of gods. In Christian tradition, the number 33 is connected to certain promises made by God. Interestingly, 33 people were responsible for writing the Bible. The book of Genesis, which is crucial to understanding many biblical teachings, has a special connection to the number 33. The word Genesis adds up to 33 when we assign a numerical value to each letter. Genesis equals 7 plus 5, plus 5 plus 5, plus 1 plus 9, plus 1 equals 33. Similarly, the word Jehovah also adds up to 33. Jehovah equals 1 plus 5 plus 8, plus 6 plus 4, plus 1 plus 8 equals 33. In geography, the number 33 also appears intriguingly. The river system of southwestern Asia, including the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, is located near the latitude of 33 degrees and 30 minutes north, an area that many believe to be the original location of the Garden of Eden, also known as Paradise. Interestingly, the latitude of 33 degrees and 33 minutes north marks the location of a specific stone in this region. Additionally, Disneyland is situated along the 33rd parallel. In the context of ancient Egypt, the number 33 also holds significance. The negative confession, part of the Egyptian Book of the Dead, was a list of sins that the soul claimed not to have committed when facing judgment in the afterlife. This practice was linked to the belief in the honesty and moral character of the deceased person. The Book of the Dead, often described as the Egyptian Bible, is a funerary text that guided the soul in the afterlife. It condemned the moral values of the Pharaoh's world, influencing historical figures like Moses. In the history of ancient Egypt, dynasties, which are series of rulers from the same origin, are traditionally divided into 33 dynasties. Modern scholars often group these dynasties into kingdoms and intermediate periods. In a fascinating archaeological discovery, a nearly 4,000-year-old funerary garden was found outside a tomb in the ancient Egyptian capital of Thebes. This garden, divided into equal squares of about 30 centimeters each, contained small pots with various plant species and flowers, likely with symbolic significance as part of funerary rituals. The most fertile soil was divided into rectangular spaces of 33 by 33 centimeters. Ramses II, a prominent pharaoh of Egypt, lived 33 centuries ago. He was the third king of the 19th dynasty of Egypt, and his reign was one of the longest in Egyptian history. In the 33rd year of his reign, Ramses married the eldest daughter of the Hittite king. Additionally, the facade of the Abu Simbel temple is 33 meters tall, and the Colossus of Ramses II in Memphis measures 33 feet in length. The KV-33 tomb is a non-royal tomb located in the Valley of the Queens and is associated with the figure of Tenejuma, a daughter and wife of a king from the New Kingdom era. The Theban tomb TT-33 is an ancient Egyptian tomb located in El Asasif. It is part of the Theban necropolis on the west bank of the Nile, opposite Luxor. The tomb is the burial place of the ancient Egyptian Padia-Menope, a prophet and chief lector priest during the 26th dynasty. Kubit al-Hawa, another important site, is the resting place of nobles and priests from ancient Egyptian kingdoms. The necropolis was in use from the 4th dynasty of Egypt through the Roman period. In the biblical book of Exodus, chapter 33, the Lord promises to be with Israel and drive out the peoples of the land. The Lord speaks with Moses face to face in the tabernacle. Later, Moses sees the glory of God, but not his face. In chapter 16 of the book of Exodus, we find the most complete account of the manna from heaven, stating that manna fell for 33 days. The number 33 has a close connection to King David. The Bible states that King David ruled for 33 years in Jerusalem. The number 33 was the numerical representation of the Star of David. Even the name of God is mentioned 33 times in Genesis. Solomon's Temple, also known as the First Temple, is a temple in Jerusalem believed to have existed between the 10th and 6th centuries BCE. This temple lasted for 33 years. In Jewish tradition, the 33 paths of wisdom derive from the 33 times the name Elohim is mentioned in Genesis. These paths serve as a bridge to the Sephirot of the Tree of Life. The number 33 also represents the Sephirah Da'at on the Jewish Tree of Life, while the Jewish tree followed strict rules in the Sefer Yetzirah. The Western tree followed a different set of rules. However, modern Western Kabbalists have interpreted the 33 paths based on the Western tree, not the 13th century Jewish tree. Lag BaOmer is a minor festival in the Jewish calendar, observed on the 33rd day of the Omer count. The syllable lag in Hebrew is written with letters that add up to 33. This day marks the conclusion of 33 days in the 49-day journey from Passover to Shavuot. According to tradition, 24,000 students of the great sage Rabbi Akiva died during the Omer count due to a plague, and Lag BaOmer marks the end of this plague. In Hinduism, there is a belief in 33,000 gods, with 33 atmospheric deities introduced in the Vedas. Krishna, a central figure in Hinduism, was born 5,252 years ago and died at the age of 33. In Buddhism, there are 33 disciples in the Buddhist hierarchy, and Japan has 33 sacred places. The second level of heaven in Buddhism is called Triastrimsa, which means the 33 gods. In Islam, the number 33 is interpreted as a sign that good will always prevail over evil. The tasbih, a prayer object, contains 33 or 99 beads. There is a belief that the inhabitants of paradise eternally exist at the age of 33. In the Devanagari alphabet used to write Sanskrit, there are 33 consonants. The Maya civilization discovered the mathematical frequencies of the numbers 13 and 20, resulting in 33. Alexander the Great. Alexander the Great passed away at the age of 33. He is remembered as one of the greatest conquerors in history. Michelangelo, a renowned high Renaissance artist, began painting at the age of 33, showcasing mastery in various forms of art. Dante Alighieri, Dante's Divine Comedy, is divided into three main sections: Inferno, Purgatorio, and Paradiso, each consisting of 33 cantos. God particle. The Higgs boson, sometimes called the God particle, is an elementary particle in the standard model of particle physics. Physicist Max Planck, associated with quantum mechanics, is known for a scale of 10 to the power of minus 33 centimeters. Isaac Newton. Newton used linseed oil as a thermometric material and established a 0 point on his scale at the temperature where water begins to freeze. He identified the boiling point of water as 33 on his scale. Triangulum Galaxy. The Triangulum Galaxy, a spiral galaxy 2.73 million light-years from Earth, is cataloged as Messier 33. In numerology, there are three master numbers: 11, 22, and 33. The master number 33. The master number 33 is considered particularly powerful as it represents the combination of the vibrations of the numbers 11 and 22. Furthermore, it carries twice the energy of the number 3 and the essence of its root number, 6. The number 33 fascinates the mathematical community, especially in one of the simplest cases of a Diophantine equation that remains unsolved. Finding a way to express the number 33 as the sum of the cubes of three integers. This question has intrigued mathematicians since 1955. People with the life path number 33 are often seen as very knowledgeable, with vivid and intense intuitions and dreams, making their life experiences evocative and lucid. They tend to be loving, compassionate, emotional, kind, and conscientious. There is a heated debate around the number 33 in the world of sports, where figures like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Larry Bird, Patrick Ewing, Alonzo Mourning, and Scottie Pippen wore the number 33 jersey, believing it brought good luck. The number 33 also appears in various international and historical contexts. For example, the United Nations flag is divided into 33 sections, and NASA capsules were used to rescue 33 miners in the San Jose mine collapse in Chile. The 33rd parallel north is a significant circle of latitude, roughly halfway between the equator and the Arctic Circle. Pope John Paul V is known to have passed away only 33 days after being appointed as Supreme Pontiff. The heroes of Uruguay's independence are known as the 33 Orientals. The vinyl record format, long play, operates at 33 and 1/3 revolutions per minute. In a historic sporting event, a minor league baseball game in 1981 lasted 33 innings, the longest game in the history of the sport. Elvis Presley appeared in 33 films throughout his career. A painting by Jackson Pollock is titled Number 33, 1949. In the Italian language, there are 33 distinct sounds, and Mexico is composed of 33 states. The international dialing code for France is 33. In astrology, it is believed that at the age of 33, people may experience significant events in their lives as it coincides with the solar return, a cycle that completes every 33 years when the sun returns to the exact same position in the sky as it occupied at the time of a person's birth. The monastery of St. Catherine, a massive structure created by the Roman Emperor Justinian, is located at the foot of the traditional Mount Sinai site. The monks are awakened every day with 33 tolls of the bell in honor of Jesus' 33 years of life. In Freemasonry, especially in the Scottish Rite, there are 33 degrees. The 33rd degree is a supreme honor granted only to those who have demonstrated exceptional service to the fraternity and achieved notable professional and personal accomplishments. The double-headed eagle is a prominent symbol in this context, representing the duality of human nature and the alternation between light and darkness. In addition to the examples already mentioned, the number 33 holds meanings and associations in various other cultures and contexts. Human spinal column. Anatomically, the human spinal column consists of 33 individual vertebrae. These vertebrae are grouped into 4 regions and play a crucial role in the structure and movement of the human body. Fetuses and dreams. Recent research indicates that fetuses begin to dream in the maternal womb from the 33rd week of gestation. Respiratory examination. In medicine, doctors often ask patients to say 33 during respiratory examinations. This practice helps assess the resonance of different parts of the respiratory system. Advocacy in France. In France, when a lawyer delivers an exceptional defense in a case, they are sometimes referred to as 33 in recognition of their skill. DNA. In biology, DNA 33 is a deoxyribonucleic acid molecule that carries essential genetic information for the development and functioning of an organism. The DNA sequence has 33 complete turns. Arsenic. On the periodic table, arsenic has an atomic number of 33, situated between phosphorus and antimony. It has 33 protons and 33 electrons. Gematria. In gematria, a form of Jewish numerology, numerical values are assigned to words or phrases, and the number 33 holds special meanings in various mystical traditions. Jesus Christ. The crucifixion and death of Jesus Christ are believed by many to have occurred in the year 33 AD. Additionally, Jesus was crucified at the age of 33. Antoni Gaudi. The famous architect Antoni Gaudi incorporated the number 33 into several of his works, including the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona, where he created a Sudoku puzzle where all sides add up to 33. Computer science. The number 33 is not a prime number. The nearest prime numbers are 31 and 37. In mathematics, 33 can be factored as 3 times 11. Conversion of measurements. In the measurement system, 33 kilometers are approximately equal to 20505 miles, while 33 miles are about 53108 kilometers. In trigonometry, functions such as cosine, sine, and tangent of 33 have specific values. Numerology. In numerology, the number 33 is seen as one of the 3 master numbers, along with 11 and 22, and is often associated with individuals who have a highly spiritual and altruistic life path. Languages. The number 33 is written in different ways in various languages, such as in English, 33, German, 33, French, 33, and Portuguese, 33. The number 33 is a number filled with mystical, historical, and cultural significance worldwide. Its presence in various fields, from religion to science, from architecture to numerology, demonstrates its universal importance and influence.